Mama's Corner.
Hi friends, today we're going to count from 1 to 20. Can you count with me? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! You did amazing counting. Now, let's try something fun. Let's count backwards from 20 to 1. Are you ready? Let's go. 20. Great. 19. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Awesome job. Let's try one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, you did it! You counted all the way to 20 and back to 1. Great job, friends. Bye-bye.